Hi friends, this is Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making air fryer roasted cabbage. The first thing I'm going to do is take out the basket from the air fryer and spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray. Now I'm going to take the cabbage and cut it into wedges. And as I cut them, I will put them on the bottom of the basket right away. We can only have one layer of those, so I will not use up the whole cabbage, just some of it. Okay, so this is enough for cooking this batch. Next step would be, I will season it. So I will take olive oil. You can also use a pastry brush to brush it evenly. And I will sprinkle it with salt. Pepper, and garlic powder. And of course you can use any seasonings you'd like. Once the cabbage is seasoned, we will put it in the air fryer. And we will set the temperature to 375 degrees. And we will set the time to 12 minutes. Now the cabbage is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious, perfectly roasted cabbage. So easy to make. This is a perfect, healthy, low-carb side dish. For a printable recipe and more easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com.